what's going on? What's your name?
Hey, buddy, I'm JB.
What do you do?
So I run Titan Powder Coat, our sister company to Scott's Hot Rods.
Okay. Cool. Can we talk about it?
Sure, let's go.
Sweet.
We do everything hand-built in-house, just like all of our chassis are hand-TIG welded.
That's wild.
All the rod ends, everything's machined out of stainless in-house.
Yeah.
Other than the components that we don't make, obviously brakes and suspension and
Right,
the third
yeah.
member, everything else is done
Yeah. What do you guys use?
one shop. So these are Alden coilovers.
Okay.
We do offer ride tech as well.
Okay.
We use a Mosier housing and third member,
Yeah.
and then we use Willwood brakes.
Kind of where it started, I guess, when you guys wanted
It is.
to control the quality of the powder coat, you know?
Yeah, our method is a little bit different. There's a lot of powder coat companies out there who basically just give it the raw metal an etching bath. They dry it off, and then they go take it into the booth and powder coat it.
Yeah, that's cool.
We go way above and beyond. These actually get degreased. They get a hot seat steam genie bath. Then we bake them out to get all the oils and everything out of it.
Yeah.
Then it goes to blast cabinet. Then it gets acetone bath. Then it gets
Wow.
sprayed. So it's
Jeez.
it's a heavy process, but we want this powder to be on here forever.
Yeah.
And not have any surface rusting in
25
between.
years down the road, it
Yeah.
still is holding.
Yeah, we
you
want
know.
this chassis to outlast the body that sits on
That
it.
is cool.
And
Very
it,
cool.
and it will. We make F100 custom hood hinges. Nice flush mount design. Give all the proper hardware material to go with those for a clean install. We make all the remote reservoirs, single to a triple. Those are all billet CNC cut, matching caps. We do defroster vents. We do a number of different diameters of your billet line clamps for hard lines, soft
I like
lines.
that. I need to actually hit that up. I like how that holds them together.
It looks really good. Door handles, window cranks, we offer a variety of those as well for different vehicles. The valve covers we make in-house.
Yeah.
We have a few different options now that I don't have here on display. There's a lot more, obviously, what we have with us. You can go on our website or our catalog and check out.
That is cool.
But we've got over 1 million different part number configurations.
And people can just get the front ends then, right?
We do, yeah.
That's
so,
cool.
you know, if your chassis is in pretty good shape and your rear end setup's good, and if you just want to improve the ride quality, and we can achieve that by doing, for some of the Chevrolet trucks, we do offer a bolt-in type setup here. For majority of everything else, we do offer a weld-in kit.
Yeah.
And then we offer a spring pocket kit for some of the vehicles that don't have just regular cross members. But we can achieve that with an airbag or a coilover.
Okay.
Complete
Yeah.
kits.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
Everything you need to install it.
That's cool. What spindles do you guys use? Like S10 or something? or?
So these are they're a Mustang 2 style
Mustang
spindle.
2, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
We do offer more of a standard spindle, and then we offer a Ride Tech Pro spindle as
Okay.
well.
Very cool.
And these in a standard or a drop.
Okay. Very cool. Do you offer? I mean, I guess anyone can put any rack and pinion they want in it.
So
but-
we specifically design these from 89 to 90 Ford Thunderbird is what we
Okay.
use.
Very cool.
A nice slimline design. We go ahead and do the proper angle where the rack goes on, so you don't have any bump steer issues.
Yeah,
so all
yeah.
the engineering and geometry is already there,
done, yeah.
and that's specified per vehicle.
That is cool. And this is just another example of what you guys got.
Yes.
That's cool.
So this would be what we consider our spring pocket replacement. So what you would get with that is some of the cars that you have to remove that Y channel out of it.
Then, yeah.
You would actually get our cross member
Gotcha.
with a frame rail stub attached.
Gotcha.
That way this would take place of the void when you cut yours out
Yeah,
and go
that's
back
cool.
in seamlessly.
And here's before powder coat, huh?
This is a raw chassis. We do have some folks who opt to have
Yeah.
they're going to paint their chassis or do whatever, or do some more mods to it.
Lately, I've noticed people clear them.
Yep, some have.
know?
You know, if you'll notice the TIG welding on these,
Yeah.
you can see how deep the penetration is. It's not going anywhere. This is one of our F100 chassis. It is on airbag, so it does lay the frame on the ground, cross members touching. Some more of the things that we do make, we offer custom one-off brake pedals, gas pedals, clutch pedals. We have Willwood Compact Masters. We make these assemblies down here. These will go on your under the dash or on the firewall, and then we can opt to put a steel pedal on there, or we can do the heavy duty billet.
I like that. See, that's what I have right there, so that's kind of cool.
Yep. Brought out just some different finishes. This is a wrinkle vein finish. You kind of see the texture that it gives you. We try to do some wild colors just to show off some new stuff. We really like prismatic powder. This is a new one. This is a blue Magnum. You can see it's heavy like a boat flake style.
Yeah.
This right here is a chameleon, so it actually shifts from a purple to a blue.
It does, dude. The flake's blue or something, isn't it?
Yep, yeah, the flake is blue. There's a color shift on it. It's called Chameleon Violet.
That's cool.
And then this is called Disco Night. So it changes like a purple to a green mix in there.
That's really cool.
See how glossy and shiny. And then same was on this wheel. This is called Rockstar.
Yeah.
Pretty wild, but you know, some folks like different tastes, so we can accommodate anything.
That is cool.
And then same way with powder coating of our chassis. This is the new figure machine. There's only just a few in the country. This takes our metal forming to a whole new level.
That looks like
we can achieve some pretty intricate bends, contours, 3D mapping them, and then be able to create a custom one-off part. One thin piece of aluminum. The machine itself sits on a platform. It's a XY axis with a metal finger that comes down, and the floor will drop with it. You can actually see these lines as it makes its rotation.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then it actually forms the metal and pushes and pulls it where it needs it until you get the end result. This is a LS intake cover.
Very cool.
You know, it can do this in 36 minutes. Of what it would take somebody doing by hand for a lot of hours.
So basically, a part that you can't find, you're able to figure it out, or you have to make a one-off custom one if you need to for certain builds, right?
Yeah. So, being if you had a super rare car, you've got one headlight. They don't make a bezel for the other one. We can 3D map that one, scan it, put it in, and make a left to the right copy of it. Do a mirror image and have you a one-of-one part. Or if there's something you design, you come up with it, we create it on a file, we can now make you one. You know, we work with you and get what you want.
That's cool, man. Thank you for showing me around.
Hey, buddy.
I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
Hey, guys, check out Scott's Hot Rod and Customs.